I made you a drink. See? Do you like it? Hi guys! Welcome to Pinay Mom's Blogs, where we share about the things we do and the places we see here in Amsterdam and beyond. And on this episode, we are going to do a little bit of an experimenting. As you know from the video and the title of my video in the thumbnail, our topic is about this coffee craze I see a lot about on my Facebook feed and on my TikTok account. And I was also wondering, okay, how do you actually correctly pronounce it? So I researched a little bit and I found out that you actually call this coffee Dalgona coffee.
Dalgona coffee?
Dalgona coffee.
달고나 커피.
Apparently, this Dalgona coffee originated in South Korea, and that a sweet and smooth coffee concoction on top of the drink was based on a Korean toffee candy. So I thought, hey, why don't I try it as well? But at the same time, I'm also not a real coffee drinker. I'm more of a decaf drinker. So I'm thinking, how could I make it in such a way that it's going to be enjoyed by the whole family and not just me and my husband, but also my kids? So I'm going to experiment a little bit and I'm going to see how I could make this somewhat also kid-friendly without ruining its original recipe and presentation. So let's experiment together. So for this experiment, I first thought of just doing chocolate version alone to see if that will froth. And since we had Nesquik Choco Mix, I did it with 2 parts chocolate, 2 parts water, and 1 part sugar because Nesquik is already sweetened. But the consistency is not good, it's too wet, so I decided to add 1 more part of Nesquik, and then I use our electric mixer to see if that helps. But nope, no froth. Now, I've seen others trying to add whipping cream in it, so on my next experiment, I tried butter and milk substitute because we don't have whipping cream available. But it was just as messy and still did not work either. So I went back to the fridge to see if there's anything helpful at all and found out that I actually have cooking cream. So I tried to use that instead of warm water. I also completely skipped the sugar part, but unfortunately that did not really give me the smooth and silky texture that I'm looking for on a Dalgona coffee. So I was thinking, okay, let's just stick to the original blend, shall we? And add the Nesquik mix as syrup instead. And so here we go with our last attempt at making this a successful experiment. So first, we made the chocolate syrup using 2 parts of choco mix with 1 part sugar and 1 part water, just to give it a thicker syrup-like consistency. Then we made the original blend of equal parts instant coffee. Now remember, we're using decaf. And we added sugar and warm water. And because we do have an electric mixer here at home, I just used that instead. This froth is looking good, and I like the caramel color it's creating. And so finally, after some time, I got to the consistency that I wanted. That smooth, silky, frothy blend. It's time to pour some milk. I can't wait to try this one, and for my kids to try it too. And yes, I know that decaf still has caffeine in it, actually about 7 milligrams of caffeine per 1 cup of decaf coffee, but compare that to regular coffee, which is about 10 times more or even higher, this would be okay. In fact, when you compare this, let's say, to a chocolate bar, a regular milk bar actually has 20 to 30 milligrams of caffeine on average. So, considering that this is probably about 7 milligrams or even less, I think this decaf drink wouldn't harm my kids at all. Now, it's time for the kids to try it. Hey, come here, come here, come here. This is for you. I made you a drink. See? Do you like it?
Wow!
Do you know what it is?
No.
It's Nesquik. Well, I did say also that it's with coffee in it. Liam, you try it, my love.
3, 2, 1.
And what do you think? Yummy! Good. And what about you, Jesper? See, I told you. All right, so the kids have tried it, and this time I'm gonna try it, but I'm probably gonna have to need to mix it a lot more. Let me see. And then, because the idea really is to mix the coffee in, right? So let me do that. Maybe it's better if I grab. Okay, I happen to have a big spoon with me, but that's all right. Okay, so mix it, mix. I think it's gonna taste more like mocha. All right, let me see. It's actually yummy. It is creamy. You can enjoy that froth as well. It does taste more like mocha for me, but that's because we added the chocolate mix. I think it's good. This Dalgona coffee with choco syrup is, I think, a great option. So why don't you give it a try and let me know what you think on the description box below. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to see more episodes of Pinay Mom's vlogs, please click on any of the links up ahead, or you can subscribe to our channel to see more episodes every week. Bye for now. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.